then makafika athi kona to cuddling. Is it naku lento le? Cuddling phela
guys
angafuna ukuthi ufake isandla kancane
obvious into ezenza
ngakhalela isandla wena sina ivolovolo
noma kunjalo wena
okay ke ngibrushisa ipaint ke hawu babambeni
sibambe ini
inwele
what is the love language Simphi?
Yes, my love language is isiZulu. Lala shem.
Kunade umusadla like siradla
yabo mina guys mina ngiyathanda ukubanjwa mina nje minchera mayingibambe live like ayingibambe anginankinga guys amsitha
into ngayisho wafethu ubhanka kusiza ngane next cause yenzela wena
siyakuzwa mama
hayi ntwana
yabona into bayinkinga
thandi
ngikubuza lesithwa ngokuze wena as mama ujol expect ukuthi umuntu akafaka umdzungero refull bahasa
I feel like ikwatise ama-fans kakhulu we-Pirates and wayenza ukuthi alose ithemba like abasayibukeli i-Pirates ibukelwa yithi seyithi sibatshela ama-results Simon Bafethu are back again abafana be-technology. If you musha to the channel, please like, subscribe and press that notification button so that every time we drop zifike kuqala lokhulumayo uNtsako intombi ezinye intombi angihambi ngedwa Bafethu phethe
Simon Bafethu matemples la
Simon Bafethu tabuti
udidi tabuti
Simon Bafethu yellow pondo ngaba nomkami
wena mantsadi mara ntombi amzothi mara hayi wena ngeke buthi hayi
ngabi Simon Bafethu shafuna
Bafethu ke niyazi ke siqali ke singakasho ukuthi please support my favorite person usithole uzobeka i-account yakhe la boy for yonke imiqhingi wena free hand wena abantu lezinto zenu hayi she's game Bafethu namhlanje bengithanda ukuthi Bafethu sikhulume ngemi like abantu like ababhankayo isikole like angazi if you guys are part of banking but okay ke bengifuna ukuthi sikhulume like how do you feel or what's your take abantu umuntu like ubhanka iclass or isikole sikaqala kuMazungu
ngiyabhanga yo
like pendula like honest truth
Thina abazali abayithetha
okay ubhanka
not ukuthi aphendule ngaye like ufila kanjani ngalezo zinto lezo
kwesinye isikhathi nje ubhanka ku right
kwesinye isikhathi ku right kodwa nje usalile into eningi mabafundisi eklasini kodwa mina ku right nami ngokhona laba bayo azimema zokukhomba ungaphakamisanga mangaphakamisanga kushuthi angiyazi answer
wait so you are saying ukuthi ubhanka isikolo just because kune like a certain mhlambe like udoji period kahle wena
mina sithole yo hayi cha yazi sitholele khona umem ne okuzonda abuze ne into baphakamisa abantu ne wena uphakamisanga because awuyazi answer uzolanda wena ufuna ukubhekanisa neklasi
so wena lento le uyithatha ezukuzonda
uyangizonda vele
na but don't you think ukuthi ufuna ukuthi now you must be ahead of like izinto like
mara kwaziye mosinyaphakamisanga ngikwazi engakwazi ngikwazi mele ngithule nje
do you know ukuthi kunabanye abomem like they love ama students artists so they just want to see good in you, they just want to see you getting everything lento ayifundisa do you know ukuthi kunabomem no they can't
lento le ithathe ezi homework le ofike wazimisela wayishaya then mawufika eclassini wathola ukuthi khona amanzi orongu yazi maba correct like khona enye into ianswer ngeke uphinde ukhohlwe empilweni yakho like iyakufundisa nawe in a way ukuthi mawuphendule wrong next time so yazi mabe ngibuza into so or ephepheni mangihlangana like ayisuke engqondeni angazi noma yini noma
ukenzeka
bathi kuyenzeka Taputi.
Yellow banka.
Ay, ngizanga banka. Mara benga establish.
Ayiwo.
Like
ya bengigrade.
Abantu ababhankayo bona. Ngabo.
Ayas. Nithi ngathini vele. Ngoba kusuke vele usuke esikolweni musi.
Okay, but I got a question for Double D. Okay, uthi ufisa ngathi ungabhanka ne, but yini lento beyikhipha like esikoleni ukuthi ungaloni? Bekuna leyo crash ukuthi ma ngebreak kumele uyombona, like you don't want to miss that person or njani? Sure.
Hayi mina sithola ngikaze ngafisa ukubhanka. Bengiya nje if ngiyeclassini yabo yilo muntu lo beka phapha vele. Hlala rasile mara ngikhona eclassini. Ngingezwa next noma bakhuluma lapha ngokuhleka yabo. Yabona lezi zinto mina sithale bengabhanki mina. Bengithanda abo meme yabona njengalento leyo Simphiwe beka isho ukuthi like awuphakamisanga isandla mara bazobuza wena yabo question. Obviously meme lo uyakuzama ukukhuthaza ubona something kuwe wena ungayiboni mfethu. Yangithola. So ngitshela ukuthi maybe yakuhlupho something kanti wenzela wena nano kube ngibengimamela ngalesa sikhathi maybe kube nami yangithola. Into engayisho mfethu ubhanka akusizi nga next cause uyenzela wena.
Siyakuzwa mama.
Hayi ntwana mama.
Yabona into like
Thandi.
Yes.
Mina mfuna ukubhanka ku useless. Yeah.
Awuzange ngabhanka na.
into namangu
usezothi ubhanka
abazali.
Hayi sashi. Ngazi ngabhanka sithole. Unless iclassini akunamuntu akwameme ubhanka lo.
No.
Asubhanka yabo.
Because already
Akunamuntu eclassini.
Yeah.
Yabo. Funa ukubhanka useless noma uphumeleni uthina emzaleni. Siyofunda ndiyo yesiyakuphi esikoleni. Inefika uhlale lapha emastephisini example. Fika uhlale busy balekana nama security wangabaleki security balekana nosela. Bayabona abagijimisa injabule bakhona mase bangijimisa. Bayabagijimisa ngabona bangena emaklasini. Yabo. Wonke into yenzayo wenza ivoice njalo baba lo msabayo. Hey ngoba siyathuka. Abantu bani hayi family useless. Nje vele bastop nje ukubhanka Simphiwe.
sengize ngiyacela isikole ikhozo isho zokushintsha
Yeah. Ungathi mimi uyakuzonda ngakuzona.
Ayi mina mfethu. Mina bengibhanka. Ibhaza ngibhanka tourism futhi because bebangikhomba every day yo. Special Africans ayibengayicaba yo. Hlezi ngaphandle mina.
Wait, bofunda phela ukufundisa Africans.
Na Elders.
Oh. Wait. Elders akuna lento ukuthi ifavor or I Elders I separate ama classes ukuthi lana ifavor first what language yakho yini then English then if
we lose Africans home language name.
Isilva oxy lapho kenzo kanjalo.
Is it?
Esilva oxy.
So it's a must.
Isizulu home language, iEnglish ifali. Ifali baceda kuma Africans i home language yabe Africans.
So wait. So you have to attend the class alone, Africans.
Yeah.
Like it or not.
Hey, subject. It's like attending home language yakho. So who home language yakho.
On top of that, while kukune isiZulu on top of that. Oh, okay. Okay. It makes sense now.
Africans as the home language yakho.
Oh, okay, then English.
Mara we let's bring us first additional.
Yeah, the home language English. Yeah.
Wait, why? Bongena ngadi.
Space.
Damn. I see. Wait. So ufunde until uqeda.
Yeah.
Ungaphumanga.
Yeah.
Yo.
Mara bangiphatha.
La phandle khona amasoli.
Yeah.
Basho kanjalo.
Yeloboni. So wena labo ufunda khona uthe ufundile African.
Hayi mina ngenza isiZulu.
Abobeka
Oh.
abobeka now.
Oh, okay. I know, I get it.
I mean, I get bafethu. I don't know how to feel in banking because nami being banker man, I feel like banker like a stage man, you part of into kumele udlule kuyeyane but mawulibele uya and then uzithola ukunyango ka matric hayi into kumele uyithi let go le cause Matric, you need to grab as much information as you can. Bengisanokubona uma ufike late nyana nje nge 5 minutes you feel like udlulwe
push up
into eziningi, and then ibhanka maybe ungalose information but sizokuspanela because uyakwazi
catch up
beside to catch up amanibhala ama-exam uyakwazi ukuba ne-strategy bayazi abasenzayo isikhanda ka-matric there's no such, so that's why ngithi i-habit ekumele kuye kwesikhathi uyishaye ngo-let go uyilahlelele yabo iphume ngaphandle kwelayini
ungafiki late esikoleni.
yeah because matric yo akumelanga uzithola ubhora uthisha.
Yeah, that's why, but it's the last leg.
Yeah. So ubhore kulibela uya ngakhona but ukubhanka at the same time right. I feel like people overdo it. You should bank like no, because you can't blame teachers bafethu ukuthi bayanikhomba. Phela naye as much as ami lapha phambili ekufundisa ufuna ukubona ukuthi ikhona nje uyazwakala ushukela etiyeni into ezinjalo niyabo. So guy bafethu laba bafuna ukushawa lapha. Straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all to say.
Why is it the coach the one person who should be blamed? Why like Nani, you've been training, you've been doing everything. Why ukombwa coach?
Mama ucoach player amasha eskimini. Ngifake 80% yama player amasha eskimini. Akakazi ukuthi badlala kanjani. Ejimini ijim sidlala sonke sa compete. So dlala nama team. You understand? Ngeke uzosifakela abantu let's say ubathole month ago futhi usifakela bona egroundini bazosinikana next ngobani abaka apply lento le information net abaka apply izinto ezidlalwa kanjani egroundini. So that's why coach nayo wrong for lento yenzayo.
Kanti labantu laba suke bengajinga le month le imaba khona besuke bengajiwa nisuke babona coach na.
Thank you.
Now usuke zama something.
That's where I was going again where
mina I get to thandi ne yazwa ngithi get to thandi like manje masejimini nike nabona sisanokuthi
sibenzisana so
mara asidlali so masiyodlala because sisuke sisoda and obvious coach impressor almost coach almost lonke players egroundini but akakwazi ukuthatha lento le ayifaka. I feel like as much as okay usayinile umbulu siyazi umbulu umnani makam introduce okay abo radio pano rabobani abantu like yabona like Rivero yabona ukuthi bekenza kanjani bekaba introducer nombokazi akaqalanga nje aba i full time egaming wafika bam introducer sambona kancane bamsapa manje sekayadlala yabo. So lento le I feel like ikwatise ama fans kakhulu we Pirates and wayenza ukuthi alose ithemba like abasayibukeli Pirates ibukelwa yithi seyithi sibatshela ama results.
Okay, so coach njenga asho uYelomelo ufike lapha wafeel the 80%.
Yeah, squad esisha.
Oh, okay.
Like almost wonke ama player let's ufake umbokazi no Rile no Tito no ban no defender le left back police no yeah khona nje labo bafakile but the rest shame
I feel like too much of everything is dangerous. Ubona italent eliningi naye wadide ukuthi manje
ngovela wadakwa ne athi
mina ngicabanga nokunama point lapha sidalela.
I feel like now my fans they are putting like too much pressure ku coach because mele abo Rivero kahle kubo angabu coach abe ubuyena mele aphile ahambe kuma footstep ka Rivero like once ashintshe line up bazomthuka because Rivero used to yabo. And then futhi nalokho ubheke ubani manqoba mnqithi ike yamsabotage nayo lento leyo ukuthi afuna ukushintsha into beyenzwa uRulani iline up yaka Rulani wayishintsha.
But isn't the reason why is employed ukuthi azofaka i-change?
But angithi that's why ngithi ama fans afaka ipressure eningi afuna abe yilo muntu lo bona ebebemjwayela uyabo. Yeah, like so yena nayo coach phela angeke nawe umjida so angeke ufuna ukuba umunye umjida obvious unendlela yakho uphila ngayo so obvious na icoach inendlela yakho ukuthi yani indlela yokwenza ufike wafuna ukusikhomba ukuthi uphethe yonke imaterial yabo le material yakhe ihamba yarusa yabo.
No, I got you.
Mara
Because I saw that coach trending so much. But busy. I'm editing ngathi Popeye manje bathi ngathi angafuneki. I was like, yo, like, what's the point of this thing? Yeah, exactly. I was like, yo, what's the point of these things? You guys needed a coach. Bahamba bayomthenga. Nani. Then
being I need a coach. Ukuthi ucoach ubashiyile. Yabo wabona amanye ama opportunities. Bona beba grand na wena wabo.
And our assistant beba kuphi bona?
Mara kidlala isitholo ukuba igame ulibele uminyile. 3 games, 3 points. 1 2 3. Baba buzi Chiefs guys. And we unabubuyile guys. So abantu bana nendlela ukuthi nabubuyile soqala ukuluza. What to take? My Chiefs amathi.
Khosi for life. Halala.
Nithini ngonali?
Nah, guys, okay, I got like an off topic, ne?
Yeah.
I was watching something. I thought I'm gonna ask Ntsako when we should.
Yeah.
Just 2 parties, ne? I've seen a lot of as Nina as Abafana Batek Kanji, ne? I've seen a lot of and especially America, ne? People are removing amalon, are removing like ama boobs at all, like they're removing.
Yeah.
Manje babhizi baphela babonisana nama 6 pack and everything. If you no beside ubandage ntwana to remove surgery, yes, but keep everything. I thought I was gonna have a chat no on just 2 bodies, but they removing like by cutter, but keep everything. So what you take as a pharmacy? Would you guys do it? If ever maybe
personally I won't, because I think abantu njengoba sibona singama lesbian bazije ukuthi sifuna ukuba abafana yabo.
Okay.
Leyo angayenza umuntu because umuntu uyozazi ukuthi into eso emzimbeni wakhe imenzani yabo. For mina personally I nanoma ngingathi mayiliphosa lwele ngayo
leyo la ngale komfunda unandaba.
For mina like nayo igrand just ukuthi ngizithandela amantombazane hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukuba umjida transgender into engayicabangi. So for me it's a no.
Shavul,
Awayicabanga.
if we need you right now,
If we were makhulu like food
No bandage.
No. Double D, we're not talking about the pandisha or something. We're talking about surgical removal. By keep everything, then by 2. I should learn. Ne?
Wakhiphelani ngoba sithanda ukuqala kuzo lesifuko sinamabele.
Yeah. No, angithi preference ntwana, angithi preference. Ukuthi umuntu like would you? Yellow melo.
Angeke.
Why would you again?
Angeke but angeke.
Ne?
Ututu nyamaza mayenza.
Spamba mabele. Cabanga sekangananto yokuba.
Novas nami ngingayibona bengengiyi.
Yeah.
Marani awukazi icabanga.
Asazi ngayicabanga vele obvious hawumfethu. Ngamane ngile iskora sabdiki lokuthi kwamabele. Hey bitch. Yabona mafuna ngazi 6 pack obvious gym aphi namabele. Yini ebhlungu lapho? Like yangithola musi. Hawu, ngeke ngicabanga lento obvious.
Ne? Yeah, because I saw that thing, I was like, no, I gotta put this thing on just 2 bodies, but like I forgot, and I was like, I wanna know, but as Nina is a Bafana Batek, you understand? Would you go under a knife?
date
Why you like angeke?
Mara kazi kumnandi ukubamba abantu babambeni.
sibambe ini
Inwele.
Ikhanda.
Okay, so nami nayo a question.
Okay, yeah. Let's go yellow baby.
Okay, ne. I got question later, ne.
Yeah.
Like not be that in the story.
Yeah. I'm sorry, question, guys. We are proper. It's in yellow.
What is the love language, Simpy?
Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
It's good.
This is nice.
My love language is isiZulu. Lala shon physical touch.
Yeah. Ikrapshini ayithanda.
For me,
Ntsakuzini.
act of service. Is one is no act of service. Physical touch. Quality time. Yeah, ni yini reassurance like
Yeah.
nano ungithanda but kunamalanga la mele uthi ungikhumbuze ngiyangithanda yeah for mina le ningagobi ngabantwana
Shabul.
Ay, isibekashila umngakami. Physical touch, reassurance, faith. Nje.
yabona iyachaza yabona umuntu makhuluma swabheke usho ukuthi umuntu wakhe like konta ayithandayo
Ibuzwa. Khatha amanoti chome.
yeah uthandi
Physical touch, love fight.
Yo.
babo
Babo.
Funa ukubonakala ukuthi ubone umuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Do physical touch phela.
That's that physical touch like perfect to them.
Yeah.
Decide to turn on. Apply kuwe like kuwe ukuthi like angithi uyabo siyathwara thina. So does it apply ukuthi naye akuthwara? Because kunalama start ama touch me not. When we touch me not, why?
Fit. Angicala. Nithini le? Ngathi ngashihleke. Ay yabona man eish. Akafile ngathi yangithola like mfethu.
Akafile.
Yeah.
Explain but like explain that.
Now
Hayi. Mina naye ngibamba ngithi.
Bantu.
Yeah, mina ngibamba. Mina shintshisane phela naye maka
Uyathengisana guys anginawo. Thengisana nanginamoni.
kunade umuntu sadla like siradlala
Mara like it doesn't take like away ukuthi mhlambe when we start sakhe or uyini. Mara like yabo mina guys mina ngiyathanda ukubanjwa mina minchera mayingibambe life like ayingibambe anginankinga guys I'm touch me no guys umnandi ukubanjwa uyafila utheneka khona yonke lento leyo so it's a matter of must banjwa
Simpy wethu Simpy
lapho ngiyangibamba. Ngiyazibambeza.
bambisini akhohle nokuthi umjika lakithi amara vele ntana uyakhohlwa khona ucikisa yakhohlwa I'm so just to tell
Okay,
dimple not to feel ngama touch me not
Ngithanda ukuthi njalo. Amphela mina.
naso yazi
Mina ngibambe. Hawu. Mina ngibambe bele. Mina vele ke ngithanda ukuthi ayingibambe yonke indawo ibele kuphela.
why ungathanda
Ayiyaphi le.
uyasaphile
Angifuna ukuthi noma sekuthiwa umuntu ngijela.
ngiyapha eMozambique mara South Africa like
you grow to love them so sesimangala sokukhuluma mina enjoy umuntu ongafuni
Kancane kona gebhe.
yeah bafethu.
Thanda ufuna ukuthini
hayi mina athi nana mibuzo
Yeah, drop yellow
Bora mibuzo
Yeah,
yakho
cooking.
ngifuna into
I can't always talk about sex.
Yeah.
No. Yo, yabona
Yeah, I think I'm telling you, of course. You're not coming.
Just saying.
Yeah.
Marale, shame. Sorry. Let's say ne guys na. Ngihambile ne. Yes, nijolo yes.
Thank you.
Hambile nomuntu wakho. New groove yabo. Then mase groove. Yaphela ugroove since emotweni. Angaka drive, angaka suki lapho kuleyo ndawo ne. Then utheneka onzenza.
Right on the spot.
Wow.
Yeah. Put the car, guys. Yabona like guys, asingafuni imibhede silala kwesithengelwa abazali. So ungangifuna umbhede nami nginganawo guys. Likhona guys. Likhona iphathisi. Shaya. Hi guys, we must have cookies, man. I think isn't a relationship ibe
Spicy.
yeah. Pure.
Ngenzani?
Ungathawazi, what's your take?
Ngamshaya imoto
Kadeni.
na.
Noma okay senyasho ke sabomtsamayiso ekhoneni hayi cha ngeke.
Afake nje isandla
Now
ngabe
just art nje.
Cha
Uphefumule kancane. Mina angithandi sharing engafuni man. Sometimes siyanetha imvula guys kungabi nabantu esitradeni sibe phansi kweumbrella.
sibindi nje.
Yeah, okay ukuthi as long mina enjoy lento le. Anginandaba
kuthi ubani kuthi uyangishutha kwakho.
hayi thandi phela na uyachecka guys. Ayi ukuthi phela uzoma la egate la kasithole la every time. Like I'm just saying guys ne like it's healthy ukuthi siyenze nama quick guys. Izinto ezenza relationship ukuthi ibe exciting. Nanoma ungatshela ukuthi unesimilo kanjani. You should have like ama quickies more than sex yasendlini. Quickies bafethu.
Noma udriver shutha namo ngaba le
Thina
moto.
sina emotweni ntana ngeke ngiyise nasendlini.
Okay, let's say ko nemoto. And then nomfafa ubudriver.
Yeah, mina guys mina shame mina ngifuna explore bafethu. Like yabo like umuntu yamtshela like umuntu like ichi yabo mina ngithanda ukubuza ngithi like ugcokeni ngaphansi yabo like ikhumule yabo emotweni it's more easy ngiyakutshela isikhumule into egceke ngaphansi yabo like nanoma singayenzi like but yabona man ukhalele na ukhalela ukupaka imoto nyana like uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi manganginika imoto ngizomosha that's why nginganayo Diriza
Hayi please mina ikinto issue Bits hayi ikinto issue la uzathanda umbuzo wakho
Umbuzo futhi.
Siyaphela kasho uphendula utheni
Ngizomshaya.
Sawashaya umkhwi
Hawu mthako.
so uhlangane nogelo ongayifuni quick
Sengibe ngemoto yini?
like decide ongayifuni quick
kuphi
like ukuzayo ukuthi asimele sifike endlini
oh
Asuka nenkani yelo. Aloyo.
ngizulike lo
Uzophinda ukumchazi
lo mbuzo wena ngibeka kanjani is it okay ukuthi i-virgin iye ku-sleep or umuntu like ungakabi ready aye ku-sleep over like kumjida wakhe like yeah like is it okay
yeah
angeke like obvious guys asifuna
ngangishayisa
the moment even if sleep over it the moment uzukuthi ugelo wakho uyeze ekhanda uyeze and ngizoba into zinto eqala ifike ekhanda lakho
What is happening? Yeah.
So is it okay cause obviously uyasho ukuthi ayintwana namhlanje lamanqamo is it okay ukuthi eze ku sleep over ayengekho ready
Nah, it is not.
Why was menu ready? Manje mina
hayi mara kufethu phela obvious
Why are you going there for sleepover?
uzospend isikhathi nawe uzospend isikhathi
Salagin, why you spend kind of okay? That's any do let's say Zako. iyajola ne nogeli then athi ugeli umbuzo ukuthi uzozalisa ukuvakashela athi uzoze yabo then makafika athi kona do cuddling ithi naku lento le cuddling phela
guys
angafuna ukuthi ufake isandla kancane
obviously into ezenzeka phela nizotshela ukuthi
uyabona mina sleepover name I think ugel like melalale kuba up until abe ready. It's not like ngimthandeli sex or but ukhumbule bafethu human mind so nama expectations zakho na umekeza uzicabangela into zakho then nizolala ubusuku bonke and obvious khona umjito othi mina like angifuna nomuntu amagcokile and then yena ke ready for mina asingahlukani but hlala kini uze mina for those cuddles I don't mind because umuntu wami not for a sleepover cabanga silele from 9 till 9
talking from experience that thing once happens to me ne some chick came from a village to my village ngisasekhaya sharp umuntu okay you know ukuthi uzolala then umuntu athi angizizwe grant and what like spending money ngapha yeah I'm not feeling well. Yeah, exactly. I'm not feeling well. You're like, yo, you should have told me that you're not feeling well. Yeah.
I would for me like it's a no. I would say I would in a sleepover guys, you know Uzi. Man. They are happy now. It's going down. For me now. When is it okay with you? Okay, I will outside. I will lala as
yeah.
I will lala.
Yes.
So it's a punishment for umuntu.
No, I was one.
It's a punishment.
I feel like bathanda like yonke into ibe about bona. You understand? If yena uzila zolala akafuni and uyazi ukuthi yena lelanga yena afuna wena ke kunqabelisela wena uzofuna
exactly
you understand amantombazane sino
kumele sizwelane guys come on
no uthapha umzilo makaqala la uthe i-virgin
mbiye ngayishintsha okay nani mara
ngakhalela isandla mina sinayivolovolo
noma kunjalo wena
okay ke ngibrashisa ipaint ke hawu silala ubusuku bonke pho oh sorry mara paint la brasha I for me I ngona ngitshele fonini ukuthi it's that maybe siyakhuluma ukuthi uyeza for sleep at and ngeke senze next kube up to mina ukuthi ngithi you can come yabo sizothi Netflix and chill
knowing very well which there's nothing going
yeah
I don't have any expectations
yeah
no it's not happening come on
mara yazi intombazane ngasho like ukuthi no anchorate yabo now chita zama man
no it's not even zama like
yeah now bega
you see Ntwana exactly what I'm telling you ne that thing happened athi angizizwe grand and everything I slept nothing happened after that I think let's push it close to 3 years or so but I was doing other stuff but I'm trying to say after that Sapusha broke up and everything then by Prekis and she was still a mobile she was still a virgin sharp now want to steal you now she's after me now I never angizanga ngathula umuntu waso understanding ofana nawe boom do you understand
amantombazana sile wena the moment uzothwena ucorrect uzwa like ulele nobani
why
see wena mele uhlezi up for it and bona mele ankorate
girls are not fair
yeah I think it's better kukhulume fonini then wena mofika ngiyazi fine noma ngazama shem isandla into engizoshawa
ngikubuza lesithwana
sure
Ngokuze wena as mawujol expect ukuthi umuntu akafaka umdzungero re full bagazi.
But like
full bagazi.
To answer your question, I can't choose. If I just met this girl, I can't choose. What if Lumuntu ufaka mthungela le phela?
Mara ngeke umtolisa umuntu ozwa ithola.
Well, I can't say ukuthi I'm for kanje angithi.
Ngaphandle kwesomthengela ke. Mara if umthola shayu
umthungela. Ushaya umthungela. Ushaya umthungela, ushaya umthungela.
Mase nawe thi fana umzuzo vuma. Wena Thandi.
Fana noma uzothola out efake shay under your V. So angeke uzoshithise.
Uchita nama expectations, necherry nama expectations.
Mina ushintshisa masumuntu umyeka fana.
Not ukuthi ngiyampost ukuthi afake ifull bagazi.
Pela like okay.
Mina for mina nesizwe ukansela
Sure, yeah.
Angeke ngithi ungayifaki full bagaza. But obviously now baby afake umjijisi. Ayikho.
No, pega ntwana. Do you know ukuthi there are some girls ne bafaka umthungelo kuphela abafaki
full bagaza.
G. Yeah. You understand? But like they don't feel comfortable. Just to
look
yeah.
Yes,
bazongitshela ukuthi
unichi string asifuni.
Wena uyifuna ungathi
Akitonge ngeke.
No, sifuna bona lokho.
I mean, okay, you can't change umuntu.
Yeah.
Icherry ayifake into esamcondo nyana yamuva ke. Mina like ngithanda ukuyibona like.
But did you buy it?
Yeah.
But I taxi these things. Am I expectation?
I'm tungera.
If ever you're gonna be expecting one and whatnot, at least you have bought it by something.
Why am I chitanga melanga when I'm expectations? Yes, I'm a chair and I'm expectations. I'm a buyer. Guys, the chair even at least the tunyana mtungero. Like in the pillar.
full bagazi, you have no full bagazi.
Together all the way.
Answer question, don't explain. Awuthandi umjungeri. Yebo noma cha. Yebo ngiyawuthanda umjungeri.
Anything umuntu ufika la.
Lucky play.
Oh, itheng. Yebo ufuna umuntu ole full plate nje. Ananas.
Mara ichera ibe nomtsumero kazi wero tete ichera aibe G5.
Hayi ngizosgowisa no. Umzethu azinawo.
Yeah. Athethe azinawo. Ufuna sikhulume ngamacherry ethu ne. Okay.
Athethe azinawo.
Baby faka umjungeri.
Afaka into eslender.
Guys, like Leanne fana like imagine ichera kigcokeli lingerie. Yabo ukuthi leyanto ifana nalento and ayikhumuleka lulu ungathi ungamiyeka igcokile manje umthuma amanzi uthi eshicumkhela amanzi libeli lokuthi uma uphela yabo manje ulahlelile nje
abangafaki full bagazi bona amakhwapha phela manje.
But the higher expectation ne it must align now whatever that you're doing for your babe. If ever also funa your lingerie, it means can be birthday or something or just like a normal surprise nje. Pull up lingerie.
Okay, before Sival, how do you feel ngamantombazana agqoka ama-pumps bafika?
Mina nje ngizothi angeke uzothi
nina nizothi untombazana engagqoka ama-pumps ungamthengela isicathulo mangine-pumps endlini ngizoza ngizokulanda futhi uhleli namajita
uyahlala
namashashine i-pumps izokulanda uhleli namajita angithena mthengela isicathulo
yazi ukuthi abakhuluma bona sebahlele
khona lama-pumps lawa sithole yo amachapa phambili khona labamanye
i-pumps ngeke libe noma li-round noma li-chap i-pumps ekani
mara sikhuluma
yabona ama-pumps akabeninka sawo mara manje guys chero faka i-pumps nanoma bangathi bekabuye esontweni-ke ugcoke i-pumps no guys i-pumps kokucala liyanuka kumele ucabanga ukuthi yo mangafika endlini ingubo zami like as much as nathi singalifuni i-pumps nawo amachera wamfuna umjito ogcoke itekile elisi bazokulala wena kumele ungamfuni umuntu ongagcoki i-pumps for mina umuntu ogcoka i-pumps guys anginawo ama-feelings wakhe aphela nalomjola naye manje sineminyaka ngambona agcoka i-pumps ayaphela ngathi awazange
Ama-pumps mangala uthi mawuphilile amajita bafethu ayaringa amajita
sawaringa uzosebala
yabona
uyabuya liyagelwa sekasini kasibandani adlula la azange sikhulume kabhasa avele salala la kusoyini iphani
ayawufaka ibabla
ningatheka abanye abantwana guys
hayi mara okay-ke umuntu angalifaka-ke angafaka umdzungelo afake i-full bhaka mara-pumps
okufaka lele neribona mina
noma ngabe linedesign elihle i-pumps itsenonu
mina Patricia ngithenga i-pumps neze ngibhale kumala kaphezulu
yo Hayi mina yanginakho ama-pumps ngathi ngiyamthanda
ayibhiyana shema kanandaba
angasakunandaba ngisafuthi bazobuya bophemphem la bese bayakhomenta nangilonze ukuthi i-pumps ngikhona
njani ungena eshop athenga i-pumps yazi emsebenzini ngisanokusebenza ngithi mara like ba-serious basaletha ama-pumps and athengwa yilaba abaphuma madalasayi hayi bayawathenga ama-pumps shem madalasayi wena ngicabanga kwenyawo yabona makuthi uringanisa nganisa mara nganisa ngiyamshiya lapho hayi ukuhamba ukubona
ahamba kubona I mean inkinga angikaze abona kangaka abantu bagcama
akazi uthele naye mina mntwana uyangazi
naye inkathi zeze-pumps vela zongabamba sisipempem
mina makavele sikhuluma ngamehlo ngithi kani
let's say muhle balifaka
ayikho i-pumps ngeke ingiblind bafethu into seeing beauty ucokelana i-pumps nabafethu manje semele u-understand ukuthi mara yena marana chomunga mina yazi no-ayana sanokukhuluma ama-preference ethu lelo tana correct me if I'm wrong imamele maybe sisho ukuthi hayi mina ngingidate ugelo njanjani then umngane wami uzohlangana naloyo gelo njanjani umngane wami uzoba like hayi mara ntwana angiyiboni le nto leyo yabona nino
nina into nikhuluma umuntu ogcoka like abo-V namasokisi
mina
hey bafethu asiyivaleni ufuna ukuphawula tu asiyivaleni sesifike okay before siyivala-ke before siyivala sicela i-word of the day
don't chase anyone, you are the prize.
Chase anyone, you are the prize.
We are much
of the day.
Yes.
Siyabona sizokhuluma isilungu.
Eyami of the day. Mawintombazana faka umdzungelo.
I mean eyami don't stop until you win. Eyakho i-word of the day ntwana.
Eyami of the day ukuthi ungafuni umuntu into onganayo kwawena.
Okay-ke bafethu sesifike baphetheleleni indaba futhi siyayibonga support yenu bafethu. Please continue supporting uSithole, supporting us. And then above you bafethu, please subscribe, siyacela, please don't forget to like and press that notification button ukuthi yabona mas drop amba word of the day abomthungero song isifike kuwe qala. Peace, we are out.